Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all well. Going on a bit of adventure this weekend. So I've just left Dresden maybe about 20 minutes, 30 minutes ago, and I'm out on the motorway heading towards Thuringia. So you'll remember the last video I did about my brother-in-law's new garage, or like massive industrial warehouse. So he got the keys last week and he's got all his contractors lined up, and he started building the roller shutters in, and he's got to be out by the end of this month from his old warehouse. So I've offered to go over there with the BMW, which has got a tow hook, he's got a trailer, and just help him move house. So I'm actually going on my own. So it's Friday evening and I'm staying one night at the lake house, and anyways, I'm staying there, and that's about a half an hour drive from where he is. So I'll take you on the journey with me, show you what's going on, and show you the move as much as I can tomorrow. Of course, I won't be able to do too much filming, but I'll be able to do a little bit of filming as we move as much as we can from one garage to the other. So I'll see you soon. Okay guys, so we've finally got there. There was a bit of traffic on the A9 actually, but I took a not a shortcut, but I got off the motorway just before the traffic began. But actually, I've just taken the turn now into the into the place where the house is that I'm staying in, and you can just see, it's very dark, but you can just see over there the shimmer of the water. I'll see if I can go down to the water while there's still a little bit of light. Okay, so it is, I can't see the time, 20 to 9, and just arrived at the little house. So I've got to go and open it up, and then I'm going to take a quick walk down to the water just to see what we can see. You can actually hear the rain. It's just started raining a little bit harder, but you can basically see down there, that is the lake there. But now what I've got to do is get in. Okay, so found the right key. I am now in, and I actually bought a beer actually on the way and put it in my cool bag. So I'm going to have my beer now, and I'll probably go down to the lake in the morning actually, and I'll take you down there with me. But I'm going to basically settle in. Bed's over there. It's all ready to go, and probably be up quite early in the morning to get started with the move. So we'll see what awaits me tomorrow. So I'll see you in the morning. Morning guys, up bright and early this morning, and it is still raining. So it started as I arrived last night, and it's rained all night basically, so not the best weather for moving, but I have got my cup of tea and I'm going to have some breakfast in a sec, and we're going to do it anyway because, as I said to you yesterday, he's got to be out by the end of the month, so rain cannot stop play. So here we are at the water. The rain's just got a little bit harder, which is fantastic. I was actually planning to go swimming, but I still could, but don't really fancy it because it's raining. But it's lovely water. It's such fresh water. As I said, a couple of weeks ago it was 35 degrees here, and it's absolutely beautiful swimming in the lake every day. But anyway, as I said, I'm going to nip up and have my breakfast now, and then head off to the garage. Okay guys, so I'm here at the garage. It is still raining and it's going to do so all day long, but we're going to push ahead anyway. So things have changed a little bit here from last time. My brother-in-law's been mega busy with a couple of his friends just taking this place apart. So the mezzanine level's completely gone at the back. I've got the car in here because we're going to load it up and go and get the trailer. But all of the wood's still here. A lot of the bikes are still here. The cars have gone. The VW's gone, but the roll bores are still here. They're going to go next week. And as you can see here, there's Joseph. Hello, Joseph. And yeah, the mezzanine level's completely gone. So we're going to take a few things over today, go and get the trailer and press on. This is 11's. Coffee, tea, rolls with meat and cheese, cake, and of course, beer. That's a really good beer, by the way. Okay, so we've just got to the new warehouse where you can see the roller shutter, or at least the walls for the roller shutters are being built. It's not quite finished yet, but just driving in now. With the trailer on the back, you can see the old train tracks on the ground. Where does he want me to drive? Und weiter nach vorne? Okay. Ach so, ich sehe die Autos schon, ja. Yeah, the old cars there. There's the Audi. Just look at the size of this place. It's the first time I've been in. Absolutely unbelievable. Here's all his stuff. The cars, bit of rain coming in there. And they've got security here as well, which is quite handy. But you can just see how big this place is. It's just massive. So this is the, what's Gabelstapler auf English? Vergessen. Forklift, thank you. This is the new forklift. That's a whole bunch of material here to start building. Cement. Was ist das hier?
Concrete.
Concrete, yeah, exactly. Das ganze Holz, I mean, all of the wood. And he's been given a whole bunch of paint as well, metal paint, which is fantastic. It was going to be thrown away in a local company. But this place is unbelievable. Look at this, 2 cranes, 1, 2. And you can walk all the way along here, all the way towards the end of the building and out the other end. Unbelievable. This place is insane. I was just saying to my brother-in-law that it's, you know, this is something that you get only once in your life. Hast du schon mit Beton angefangen? Habt ihr das gelegt? Es war schon. Perfect. Jawohl. So this looks like newly laid concrete, but it's actually here already, and it's perfect for a, you know, a lift. This place is insane. I don't think you can get a scale of it from the camera, but wie hoch ist das? 20 Meter? 12 meters high. It looks like it's a lot higher. Anyway, I've got to keep on working, but that's a quick look at the inside. So we're just up on this platform here, just gone up these steps, and you can literally walk. This is the crane. This thing is insane, and you can walk all the way along. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. Strangely enough, there's a safety rail on this side, but not on this side.
Jetzt siehst du das Holz oben, ist doch gut aussehen.
Ja, Holz ist das ja.
Nichts kaputt.
Naja. Guck mal, wie klein der AP aussieht. Moussaka for lunch. Very nice. So we've been working on this all day, and you can see the difference. The guys have made a huge amount of progress. There are half the amount of bikes here as there were before. Can't go too far over there because someone's using the loop. But this is all cleared. The mezzanine level was all gone. And yeah, like half the amount of bikes have been moved. So I've moved most of them with my brother-in-law to his house because they're very valuable. and the rest have gone to the new warehouse. So I'll give you another update when I visit back. This is his company, by the way. And these are the wallboards here still, 2 of them. And I'll give you an update in a few weeks when I come back. I'll see you later.